I have been using the Microsoft Outlook since 2004 or so. Microsoft decided that 2019 version for Mac won't be supported anymore, and it will stop working for existing users in a week or so. As I didn't have problems with my previous 2019 version, I decided to get the newest 2024 one. That's when my problems started. It turns out that it doesn't support local folders anymore, so you cannot move any specific emails from specific address to the set folder. For example, if we have a mail like office@domainname.com, it should be moved to the office folder. But it turns out only the subscription version of Office 365 has this option, and the standalone doesn't. And the only thing you can do is to use the web version of Outlook to set the rules, which for me it was almost a deal breaker. There are also other things like inability to set time interval for receiving your emails from the server. Instead, Outlook does it by itself when the new email comes, which is very inconvenient because you don't know the time. And the second problem connected with this is that I like to use custom sounds imported from the 2024 version. And if I don't press the sync button in Outlook, the sounds just won't play. So it's another thing I really find annoying, and it's really random. And a good thing is that it works at all. But while importing my huge 40 gigabytes database of emails containing, I don't know, maybe 10 years of emails, it crashed in the end. But luckily all the things went through. So another weird thing typical for newer version of Outlook is that you cannot create an email in plain text. You can just create the HTML version, which is very inconvenient for me because I'm using I'm a member of the emailing list. Old style emailing list, which operates by sending emails to the specific address, and the server will reject any emails in HTML. It has to be written in plain text. So I had to just install Mozilla Thunderbird and move the email address with the subscription, with the mailing list and my subscription to it, because I couldn't create a new email in plain text because there is no way to switch to plain text. And it's the same with switching to the classical Outlook version, and the 2021 and 2024 version only have the new look and cannot switch to the old one because it's also reserved for the subscription model. So for me it's unfortunate because the Outlook is the part of Office I use all the time, every day. I never turn it off. And for other programs, I sometimes use Excel for calculating things, but those things are really really easy and small, and I could use, for example, Apple's numbers for it. I don't have to use Excel, and I'm sometimes using the Word for opening documents which I get from other people. But mainly is that I prefer creating new files even in systems text edit. So I would be happy to use, let's say, Office 2008 even, apart from Outlook. And that's why, in my opinion, you can, if you have an old Intel Mac, you can just install a virtual machine like Parallels with older version of macOS, like Mojave, like the 10.14, and then install old version of Office in there. If you don't need like the network connectivity, it will work fine for creating documents, and yeah, and you don't have to even activate it, because it has its own serial number, so you just enter it and it will work with any language version, and it's perfect. And I think you can get it almost for free now. I got mine years ago. And for people who don't need Microsoft Office at all, just want to create simple files and presentations or calculate something, I think the Apple software is more than enough. Pages, Keynote, and Numbers are really great, and they even have the compatibility to save their files in Office format, like .doc, .xls for Excel compatibility, and the PowerPoint. They can also open PowerPoint presentations, and Keynote is better anyway. It's way years ahead of PowerPoint. So I hope you will find this video useful. I just wanted to get everyone know that the newest versions of Outlook are buggy, and sometimes they are worse than the free alternatives. But yeah, I wanted to help you to make the right decision. See you in the next video. Bye for now.